Most people know that sanding with a block, as opposed to just holding the paper in your hand, leaves a much smoother and leveler finish. Your sandpaper will last longer, you won't miss any spots, and you can even sand nice even chamfers along the edges of your work. But there's another secret that'll make your sanding block even better. By adding some cork shelf liner, your block will be able to flex just enough to accommodate subtle differences in the wood. You want to make the most of your sandpaper, so fold a full sheet into quarters and use a ruler to tear it off cleanly. Now cut your block a little bit undersized in width. That's going to let you wrap your sandpaper around the edges of the block and hold onto it firmly. Now use your sanding block as a template to cut the cork. This shelf liner cork is self-adhesive, so the rest is easy. So that's it. The block is sized for a quarter sheet of sandpaper with just enough to wrap around the edges and give you a good grip, and you're ready to get to work.